Well, it's kind of a rainy, soggy day, so outside work today. So what we're gonna rough in the plumbing inside. So, gonna try and figure that out. All right, so we're gonna have the sink right in front of this window. So we have to run hot water lines, drain lines, cold water lines to this area right here. We'll run the drain at the bottom. This cabin will be dry in the wintertime. There's gonna be no running water in the wintertime, but it's just a wreck cabin, so. All right, we'll start figuring out the runs. We're going to run it outside here for the drains, and behind this wall is the utility room. That's where the hot water is going to be, and that's where the pump is going to be. So once we get it roughed in, I'll show you what we're going to do. Is we're going to use PEX pipe and ABS drains. And with E2 hands. Okay, we'll make sure we got a constant slope all the way out. This will be for the kitchen. Just a note about this 1.5 ABS. This was free. It was sitting on the roadside one day. A couple lengths of it with some elbows on it. I don't know why. It's in good shape, but maybe somebody was leaving and moving. But works out for us. Free is always good. So we'll seal that off. What's gonna happen is this is the bathroom area, and that pipe is gonna go straight. Well, it might go over, tie into the shower, tie into the sink, and we're gonna put a urine diverter in here as well for a composting toilet, and the fittings for that will either come out this way, and we'll tie them in, and then there'll be a gray water headed off into that direction. We'll have a leach field in there, so that should make it good. Now we'll just cap that off, and we need to get the plumbing roughed in before we can start putting walls up, so I have to figure this out. Okay. Okay, we just need to support it. And we'll use plumbing strapping for that. section drain roughed in. Now we'll go to the utility room and figure out where we're going to go through there. So this is what we're using. We're using PEX with these stainless steel crimps. I've had good luck with them. So cold water in, hot water out for the utility room. All right. So that goes into the utility room for the hot water, and that's where the 12-volt pump's going to be. So the water will come in that way as well. We'll tee into that line inside the utility room. And this will supply the water for the sink, hot and cold, and our drain. So there we go. That's about all we're going to get done for today. I just wanted to rough this room in so we could start, on rainy days, we could start putting walls and insulation up. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. So, out here today, I'm going to try and close in the sides of the veranda deck and start cutting some slots to fill some of these gaps. Looks like we're going to have some nice weather a couple days, so we'll see what we can do about this. We don't want critters spending the winter under. Pretty simple. We're just taking some 5.5-inch boards and we're going to screw them to the sides, and that should prevent the big critters. And alright, well, the section in front of the cabin is done. It's all trimmed up. Hopefully nothing will get under there and live there this winter. I think it looks alright. Yeah, we've got this all trimmed out. And we still got to put spacers on this section here. So that's tomorrow's job. Other side. This will be another job we can check off the list. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like what we're doing. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. We'd like to hear your comments. You guys have a good week. Alright. Deck's all filled in. Looks pretty good. We'll try and get a coat of stain on just the deck this year. Weather's getting colder. We're running out of time here, but we might try and we'll see how it goes. Try and get some stain on it, but it's all sealed in now. Looks good. All right. next one.